Rising sea levels are a major threat to Manila, the capital city of the Philippines. The combination of ground subsidence and climate change is causing sea level to rise 4 times faster than the global average in the Manila Bay. Surrounding villages such as Sitio Perejahan have almost completely been submerged, which may be the future for Manila. Manila is already vulnerable to coastal flooding, getting hit by an average of 20 typhoons a year, which is expected to become more frequent with climate change. Groundwater has been extracted at high rates since the 1960s, with a growing population and agriculture, fisheries, and commercial industries putting pressure on groundwater resources and causing land subsidence, perpetuating flooding within the city. Water pollution is both a cause and effect of sea level rise. The city is unable to use above-ground water because of domestic, industrial, and agricultural pollution. Solid waste and nitrates, phosphates, and heavy metals are being pumped into rivers and the bay, making water resources toxic, therefore requiring more groundwater pumping. Sea level rise is expected to completely consume Manila by 2050, changing the landscape of the Philippines. This will also cause consequences for the human population of Manila. 13 million people will have to relocate. Polluted water is unsafe for drinking and sanitation, and polluted floodwaters can cause illness. To reduce urban congestion and its harmful effects, there are already discussions of relocating the capital city to another part of the Philippines. Over half of the groundwater extraction is done without permits, meaning the city cannot currently regulate how much is being used. One solution is to enact stricter policies on groundwater usage to prevent further subsidence. More policies will have to be looked at to control development and develop safely. Flood control projects are underway, such as building pump stations, dikes, and flood warning systems. In the future, the only solution may be relocation. Even in the best climate change scenario where we make drastic changes, Manila will still be threatened by sea level rise.